Imagine transforming your classroom expertise into a thriving online career. Teaching online has exploded in popularity. You can earn a substantial income by tapping into this flexible education model. So, how does a teacher become a digital coach? Let's dive into the process step by step. First, identify your passion. What subject do you excel in? It could be math, science, languages, or even arts. This topic will be your focus in the online teaching space. Next, build a strong online presence. Create profiles on popular platforms like YouTube, Udemy, or Teachable. These platforms let you showcase your skills to a broader audience. Now, prepare your content. Start creating engaging videos or courses. Break down complex topics into smaller sections. This makes learning approachable and enjoyable. Promote your courses through social media. Share snippets of your lessons on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Encouraging students to interact increases visibility and attracts more learners. Consider offering free introductory lessons. This helps build trust and showcases the value of your teaching style. It's a great way to convert viewers into paying students. As your audience grows, think about expanding your offerings. You can create advanced courses, one-on-one coaching, or even group sessions. Diversifying your teaching methods can lead to increased income. Here's an example. Meet Raj, a physics teacher. He started by offering free YouTube videos. Over time, he created a structured course that students love. Today, Raj earns over 1 lakh rupees a month online. Remember, consistency is crucial. Stay committed to your students and regularly update your content. In summary, start with your passion, create an online presence, prepare engaging content, promote effectively, offer free lessons, and diversify your offerings. This roadmap can lead you to a successful online teaching career. Ready to start your journey? Begin today by identifying your subject and creating that first video. Join the thousands who have transformed their teaching careers.